around. And it's about to hit 1 o'clock right now. So if we get end game push, like 1 o'clock, anything, then don't say shit. Don't even act like say like anything because it's 1 o'clock, I mean 1:30. Because right now we're pushing end game. And I start to take a shower. So
Okay,
how long you
take a
have to
shower.
clean the room? I take a shower. Right now I'm trying to record me a playlist. But
Okay,
you're not doing shit, yeah, but you're not doing shit. All you do is sit on your ass and just fucking look at your phone. That's all you fucking do is just fucking go clean the fucking room up. See?
All you can do 2 times